How to fix Windows Update or activation error code 0xc004f075. To fix Windows Update or activation error code 0xc004f075, try 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Run the activation troubleshooter. 3. Check Windows Update and activation related services. They are Windows Update Service, Manual, Triggered, Windows Update Medic Services, Manual, Cryptographic Services, Automatic, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Manual, DCOM Server Process Launcher, Automatic, RPC Endpoint Mapper, Automatic, Windows Installer, Manual. 4. Run slmgr.bbs command. To do so, run these lines as admin, slmgr/ipk Windows key slmgr/805. Use slowly 3 command as admin. 6. Manually download and install. The update using the Microsoft Update Catalog site.